Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning, men and women of goodwill. My name again still remains Emmanuel Oremijus Mouth, known as the Gracia or the Sea of the Seer. And today is the day that Finland Convention is going to come to an extreme conclusion. Am I right or wrong? Today, Finland Convention will come to an extreme conclusion, and the results have been overwhelming. Many of you don't know the vital point of declaring freedom. You use it for diplomacy. Why you continue doing something to protect your land, you use it for diplomacy. It has been declared. You start going for recognition. Why you start to fight and keep intact every aspect of your own land. Now, I have to tell ndị ọhaneze ndị Igbo. Ndị ọhaneze ndị Igbo, our honorable DOSRYs have spoken that you people need to put somebody in my position. Ụnọ makwa na ọmụnwa bụ ọhaneze ndị Igbo, general na nke ikpeazụ a, and they want to sell my position. From ọhaneze ndị ara na ndị oshi, did you know how many ọhaneze were tied during this criminal saying ọhaneze ndị ara na ndị oshi? Ọhaneze are sellouts. They are sellouts, criminals. Ọhaneze will never occupy our land. So today, they are now choosing who will be the same ọhaneze leader, which are sellouts. Nna ara bụ anụ na nke ikpeazụ a, maka Chineke kere m ụnụ. Ndị POSRYs, ara agba n'ụlọ na nke ikpeazụ a. Onye na-eresi unu Igbo is not doing well. Just like Maazị Nnamdi Kanu mobilized all of us. In truth, Biafra people have left all of you people in lies because you lie to Biafra people. Now, in South Africa, I saw the picture with they throw 15 people. They shamelessly post to 15 people. And let me tell you, when they know that posting it one in a picture, some of you will regain your brain. Do you know what they do? One picture, they put that picture into 4. So that when you look at it, it will look big. You will say, oh, these people are big. Go and Go and click one of the picture. There you will know how many people that they are. I took time and counted 15 people in South Africa. And you people know before this taking of picture in South Africa, 15 people they struggled to get. They started threatening people from one house to the other that they must come, that they have a meeting. You can imagine nation of the whole South Africa, not a family meeting. We are 15 in number, the whole, upon thousands of Ndi Igbo, if not going to millions of Ndi Igbo in South Africa. Only 15, and they shamelessly posted it. Ndara. That was, and that 15 is not willingly. After going from one house to the other to threaten them, like one doing agent in South Africa, he threw away somebody's belonging. He said, why is that one not supporting DOS? And I asked the real Biafra people, I want to know the report of what happened in South Africa. I want to know the report of what happened in South Africa. I want to get that particular report. It is very, very important. It is very, very important. I want to get the report. Now, let me tell these people. Finland Convention is coming to an end today. Today is 3rd, right? Today is 3rd. Yeah, 3rd, not 2nd. It's coming to an end today, which is 3rd. Umumugu started reporting yesterday that their The same military checking point they told you, oh, you are buying our people. They started telling us there are military checking points. Biafra people are going to take over their land. By virtue of Biafra declaration, any of your useless entity is a foreign security in our land. And during the delegitimization, it wouldn't be a problem because you are a foreign security within the Biafra territory. And all of you will be taken out. All of you will be taken out. That's for sure. And that's the message. Again, let me continue to emphasize that Biafra have come. For those who will say, hey, police station ever, military station ever, Mehenka, Biafra have come. All your military are foreign machineries. And foreign machineries cannot continue to occupy the land of Biafra. They are foreign machineries. They must return to wherever they come from. This Igbo man in Nigerian military, just know that your Igbo man in Nigerian military is serving a foreign machinery interest. He's serving a foreign nation interest within the Biafra territory. And you people know what that means. The proclamation of the sovereign state of Biafra is sacrosanct. All of you know. It's sacrosanct, and it have come. It has come to stay. That was the reason, these who even know, that was the reason why they paid you people more money. Oh, right, they paid a shameless apuna. Nkonna Uche Mamudu. Uche is a useless. Let me not say what. Somebody who supports the iron of her own people. She signed the signature in Finland, Uche Mamudu. Her husband is under DSS. She signed signature for another person to be brought to Nigeria. And you tell me that this one is this thing. Now they have started their pressure group. They are now telling you, I told you people that this group of criminals are nothing but pressure group. They will resort to pressure group. And some of you will argue me. Did you see what they are now doing? Oh, allow people from Igbo nationalities from Asia to become your leader. That's a work of pressure group. The same work they do during the election. Oh, we are not going to participate. Allow election to hold. That's a work of pressure group. Or do you people think that you can deceive everybody? Thank God that Biafra have come. In our land, only a total vote was also. Vote in Abia. Biafra have been declared. Nkana Ogri is asking for money. So look, don't give me money. I can mobilize 50,000 youths. When you hear Mama Ogri is the spokesperson of DOS. So officially, the criminals in DOS are now asking for contract from Nigerian government that they should give them contract that they want to mobilize men to secure Nigeria. And look at the training that they told. You know, previously they told you that they have handed over Eastern Security Network to Nigerian governors. Now look at the offer. Once they bring the men, let them take them to DSS, train them in DSS, and then shift them to Anambra to start work. But you must pay them well. Who is going to be contractors? The DOS. Because where Mama Anyogri is positioning, he works for the criminals in POS. They use him as frontliner. That is the reason why none of them will attack him. The same way they gave Eastern Security Network commanders to Ndiwon, Nigeria. And again, let me emphasize, you people saw the prophecy that I prophesied 2021, 2022. Till 2023, even when I was broadcasting under a tree in one country that I ran to them, there is a prophecy that I dropped. I said, all of you will wait. Since I will go to YouTube, it's just that my YouTube, I will go to Facebook, it's just that my Facebook, I can't get hold of it now to search for those prophecies. That you are going to see Mama Nyogri, Helen Hope Uzodinma, with your two naked eyes. Because long ago, this insult, so Hope Uzodinma, you must change. Now them still they put Hope Uzodinma. Now them still they campaign for Hope Uzodinma. But why they do it is because you know that there is general hatred against Hope Uzodinma. So they want to ride on it. They told you that Simon Ekpa was provided by Hope Uzodinma. Today they are supporting Hope Uzodinma. So you know there are insecurity and the man is trying. Who created the insecurity? Can you tell me the history of insecurity? And you people thought that you people are doing well, hungry looking individuals. And what problem with Ndago? I'm an Nago and a Uremijus. Agụ ọgụ ọmụ nyo ego ka solve good issue at home. If I am hungry, I beg for money to solve my issue of hunger. My own, I dey put am for public, oga. I get my mens there. But being a sellout to get money is not what Emmanuel Remedios will do. You people are hungry-looking individuals. Very disgusting individuals from A to Z. Look at them now. When they speak now, they can't speak with confidence. How they associate criminals who use our people to obtain contracts in Abuja. Biafra have come to stay. And all of you, at the appointed time, you know what you do to yourself. From me from here, it is good morning.